Billyjack on location once again from the Experiment Station building complex in Makiki Park. I hope the wind is not blowing too loud. This is my favorite building out of the complex. You will recognize it from the home page of my Facebook tour business. This one has some very unusual stuff that's been added at a later date. Almost Egyptian looking. Very unusual. You get around to the sides of the building. You can see the mountain range directly behind us, where the silt would have come from. Very large doors indeed. We come around to the back side. The wind is not blowing quite as hard as it was in the front. Once again, all the windows have been completely cemented up down here. More doors on top of the building. Very beautiful. You'll see the staircase was added at a later date. This is a common feature you'll see on a lot of these old world buildings due to the fact that that was not required as a fire building code. Billyjack over and out.